Sai Ram.
And that shows how important it is. And the reason behind of this mental health is stigma. Can you explain someone who knows about what is stig or stigma? Who knows kalank word in Hindi? Kalank? Yes? Are you okay to speak to me in English or Hindi? I don't mind. Okay. So stig word comes from Greek, and criminals, traitors, they used to give a black dot on their body, and it is called stig, and from that word comes as a stigma. Because of that, people are suffering with several issues. People think that a child is behaving naughty. It's a behavioral issue. It is, but you do not know what is behind it. Some people think, oh, this person is very slow at work, or maybe he doesn't communicate with us properly, or he's not socializing, so you start to avoid that person. So they're suffering with discrimination. Also, oh, this person has autism, just be careful, can be a man and at any time. And they start to think about it, and they become prejudiced. So these are all comes from stigma. We need to stop this. First of all, as a society, we have to accept it, because we are all unique. Our fingers are not same, thumbprint is not same. So we need to accept anyone how they are. Autism is not a bad parenting. Autism is not a karma from previous life. Autism is not something to do with religion or culture. This is a neurodevelopment condition. During birth, or maybe our pregnancy time, there would be some contacts, environmental, or lack of oxygen, or they come with some chemicals or heavy metal like a lead or mercury. Then the brain wire start to dysfunctioning, and because of that, autistic people suffer with mainly 3 areas. One is communication. They might have a speech problem, they might not have it. They could be verbal, they could be non-verbal. If they are non-verbal, it might take years to come and say some words. So lots of patience and speech and language therapy strategy will work. Other one is a social behavior. They do not like to socialize too much, or someone could be like so much, they are so socialized, they can start to work with strangers. They do not know the danger. Or some autistic people, they don't like to socialize at all. They would be sitting in their room, or they would like to stay in one of the corner, and they avoid people, they avoid crowd. They like to enjoy their own company. And this is all okay. We should not force autistic people to do anything, because they have their own world. They have their imaginary world. They are very happy there, but they are trying to fit into our society. So they are very brave, they are fighter, and they have a lot of patience, which we do not see from outer world. Third one, and very important, is behavioral issue. They have a sensory needs. So autistic people, they would be fussy about noise. Even a little noise can be for them like a hammering in their ears. A light, flickering light, or different color lights, they can also make them very uncomfortable, and it comes as a behavior. If they are hungry, if they are thirsty, if they haven't had the sleep, or they are happy, they are sad, they cannot express their emotions, they cannot express their needs, which makes us too difficult and make them to suffer a lot. So that is what parents needs, please. If your child or anyone in the family is autistic, please accept it. One of the parent I know, she did not have a children for 16 years. She adopted from India, and after 3 years she came to know he's autistic. She broke her heart at that time, but mom said, no, look, this is a Krishna. Just now you have to grow him or give him life, that just thinking that you have, so you have devoted yourself to the Lord Krishna. Just think that you are doing seva of that child. And she's very happy. And she's giving her 100%. That child is singer now. He goes to the temple and Hanuman Chalisa sings as well. Of course it took time, but mom gave a lot of effort in it. He also now playing some of the instruments. And Diwali, Trafalgar Square, in Diwali, those two students have performed. I won't say students. Yeah, they are only 13 years old. One was playing drum and one was singing. So it is possible. If we accept them, if we provide them environment where they can flourish, they will grow. But we need a patience from our side. This is the talk about their growth. What about at workplace? Out of 10, only 3 autistic people are working. Out of 10, 6 physical disability people are working. So it is even less than that. And in few years' time, it would be more than 500,000 autistic people would be unemployed. And that is why government is making so much changes at the moment. Employ autistic people, give them a chance. Just narrow the gap, because there are so many on benefits. They want to work, but people are not accepting at work, which is burden to government. Government doesn't have that much money, because each and every day, so many people are diagnosed as autism. Out of 100, 2% is autistic now, nearly 2%. With next 20 to 30 years, the ratio is just going to be a double or maybe more. So we need to start to think from now that our autistic children, if they are not highly academic, it is okay. Show them, give them chance what they like to do. They like singing, let them sing, provides all the opportunities. Do they like computing, games? Give them chance. Do they like maths? Focus on only on that one, because they have a lot of passions in their own interest areas. Just motivate them and they would be independent. We need to focus on life skills so they can be independent. We need to focus that if they can earn some money and live their life respectfully, would be great. Because in autism, there are 3 levels. Level 1 is highly autistic, just like some scientist, Alan Turing. He was mathematician and computer genius. He was autistic, but he had a passion, he has been given that environment and he succeeded. That is level 1, high functioning, because it's a whole spectrum. If we believe, we all come in that spectrum. Level 2 is mild moderate, where the child, autistic child or teenage, when they are young, if we give them strategies from right age with right people, they would be independent in the future with some or little support. And level 3 is a very needy level, where even 30-40 years old autistic man, but his brain would be developed maybe 3 months, 6 months or 1 year old child. So you see 30 years old man, but actually he is just 1 year old child. You have to feed them, you have to help them to life skills, daily routines, everything. And I have met so many parents across the world, and when they had a severe autistic child, they did not think about second child. They thought it is too much. Of course, it is too much. You have to give your more than 100% day and night. Parents doesn't have a respite time. They get frustrated and that impacts on the child. But here, it's a teamwork comes. Society need to help as well. But out of 10, only 2% chances that the second child will be autistic. So if your first child is autistic, do not think that second would not be autistic or will be autistic and you don't want it. Because most of my parents, they are worrying about what if we are not there? Who would look after them? So if you have a sibling and a good sibling, they would look after, it will take off your worry. Because I have some South Indian parents, they are living outer London. Now they are very, very cultured. They want to preserve our religion, culture. They don't want to send their child in a home care where English people, white British people are living because their culture is different. And they are constantly worrying what we can do. And we are thinking about that area as well, how so as a society we can establish our Asian care home where autistic girls and men can be more secure and safe. At the end, I would just like to say that autism is not a disability. Autism should not be discriminated or prejudiced. Till now, when I go to my local temple in VHP, parents are coming to cure the child, tells Panditji, then Panditji directs them to me. So, of course, we have to believe in a God, but start the diagnose and the paperwork at the right age. Do not delay, because it will delay and it will delay because there's more than 1 year is a waiting time to get the appointment for your first referral. So do not delay. As soon as you think your child is something is not right, let GP know straight away. Because if your child is 4 months old and if you do the stool test, the gut microbes will tell 82% correctly that your child is autistic or not, or they have some problems or not. So start to think from 4 months onwards. And if you need more detailed information, I do have here. Feel free to come and talk to me. And thank you for listening. And our organization is International Autistic and Complex Needs Family. We provide free services. It's online as well as face-to-face. So if you know any parents need support or talk to me or any kind of support, please get my number from Anjali ji and Shweta ji. We are working together and we are here to help. It's a free. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Om Sai Ram.